This how-to video is going to go over how to clear out active monitoring points. So there could be an alarm or process, how you actually clear those manually from the system instead of from the module itself. A couple of reasons why this might happen. Sometimes maybe the module got stuck, or maybe the I/O got unplugged, so things are gotten a little out of hand. So essentially, you can reset everything from inside the system without actually having to go to the module. Could be just it's a stuck call inside the system. It's been gone for too long. They want to get rid of, and maybe the module's not working or something to that effect. So basically, you're just going to go to your VT3000 core software from the welcome menu, and where you want to be is in active information, so you can select that here, or you can use the icons. Sorry, here's active information. Select that, and you're going to see all of your active calls. So for me, as I'm saying that this one on the call station I need to get rid of. So essentially, you can just click clear, and then so it's going to clear it out of the system, and it's also going to clear it on the device itself if it's communicating with the system and everything's good. So the other ways, or PSM can do the same thing. So what's going to happen if I clear this production is, since this count is a child of that production, it's actually going to clear that off as well. We're just going to do that, and as you can see, so now that count disappeared. And then the last thing you can do is just clear out alarm. That's basically how that works. Be careful with it, just because it's kind of meant for, to take care of errors. I don't want to be clearing calls from inside here, because it can mess up your data that you got being collected. This will conclude our video on how to clear out those monitoring points or active monitoring points inside active information. Look forward to talking to you again.